Here we go. Experiment number 14149. Squirrel in tree. Checking it out. What's he gonna do? Not so sure. Oh, he doesn't like it. Doesn't like it. See, I arrived late. I might have already missed the action. They might have already tried. That looks a little bent there. They might have already tried and failed. That might be why there's some seeds in the ground. So every once in a while they might have some idiot go out there and knock a few over and fall flat on his face, but they're not going to be hanging out up there and grabbing them.